creating a photorealistic AI twin. Adding Hollywood-level camera moves. And layering on impossible visual effects. All of this is possible with one tool, Higgsfield. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do all of it from start to finish. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Higgsfield, the video AI from the former head of AI at Snap. You've probably seen the viral videos it creates, and for good reason.
Spend the whole day with me. Oh, my throat hurts. I'm on set shooting a global music video for a famous artist. I'm so tired today. Just sentenced another psycho.
All right, first things first. Head over to the Higgsfield.ai website. When you land on the homepage, you'll see a full showcase of their powerful features, visual effects, camera controls, all the cool stuff. To get started with our avatar, look at the navigation bar at the top and click on the Character button. From there, click Create Character. This is where we'll make your digital twin. You can make a character that looks like you or someone entirely new. The key is to use at least 20 high-quality photos. The more angles, expressions, and outfits you provide, the better the result. Okay, once you've uploaded the photos, just hit Generate. I've already created my character to save us some time. Now that our character is ready, let's generate some images with it. From the top menu, click Create, and then select Image. This takes you to the image generation page. Down at the bottom, you'll find the prompt box, which is pretty standard. But what makes Higgsfield different are these character and style buttons. First, the character button lets you select the character you just created. This is how you ensure your digital twin appears in the picture. If you don't have a specific character in mind, you can just leave it unselected. Next, the style button. Higgsfield has tons of fun and interesting style filters ready to go. If you want a specific vibe, you can pick one here, otherwise just stick with General for the default. Let's check out the other controls on the bottom bar. Here, you can select the AI model you want to use. Next to that, you can set the aspect ratio, like 4:5 for Instagram or 9:16 for TikTok. You can also adjust the quality with the Mode Settings button. And this little magic wand icon, that's the Prompt Enhance button, which polishes your prompt for you. One last important thing. In the top right corner, you can hover over your profile icon to check your remaining credits. For example, a sole image generation costs only 0.25 credits, so it's great to keep an eye on your usage. So, using the character I made earlier, I'm going to show you some photos I generated. This feature is incredibly useful because you can create various photos with a character that looks just like you. And the real strength of Higgsfield is this photorealistic image quality. This is the power of Higgsfield's Soul model. It completely avoids that plasticky feel you see in other AI images and generates photos that look like real pictures you'd see on Instagram, making it almost impossible to tell the difference between AI and reality.
Nowadays, it's easy to sell something. Easy to tell something.
Easy to share your important opinion.
And sell again! And sell again! Or tell everyone about your business.
Okay, let's bring our character to life. We'll be using a feature called the UGC Builder. Simply put, it's an all-in-one director's tool that gives you complete control over your character's motion, emotion, and voice.
I told you, it's easy.
When you first enter the UGC Builder, you'll see a variety of templates. You can pick a preset vibe here, but I'm going to start with selfie mode. Next, I'll click the Image button and upload the character photo we used in Scene 3. Then, click the Action button and type in what you want the character to do. For example, nods at the camera. Now for the audio. In audio text, I'll type in the script, "Hello, I'm testing Higgsfield." In audio settings, you can choose the voice type, like whisper or shout, and also select from various emotions, like happy or angry. You can even set the language and accent, which I'll set to English. You can even add background sounds, but I'll skip that for now. Finally, select your video model and click Generate. Let's see the result.
Hello, I'm testing Higgsfield.
Good morning. And to the top story about this new thing.
If you want to achieve success, you need the one specific thing.
And today we're going to make that thing from scratch.
Apply that thing to your face, and you'll feel how that thing works.
Now I want this thing first.
I can't believe they did that thing.
Amazing, right? The lip sync is natural and it even performs with emotion. This is exactly why Higgsfield is so powerful for social media. But making your character talk is just the beginning. This is where Higgsfield truly becomes your personal film studio. It has an incredible library of cinematic camera movements and visual effects. I'm talking about things like bullet time, dolly zooms, and even wild effects like setting a room on fire. Honestly, there are so many amazing camera movements and effects, I can't possibly show them all in this video, but I encourage you to go in and experiment. Just pick one that looks cool and see the magic for yourself. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more useful AI tool reviews next time. Thanks for watching!